I'm dead serious. I'm not doing hair no more. I promise. Like, this is only because I want a different look. I got a couple things I'm finna do, and I definitely wanted to branch out and have some longer hair. So
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you. How much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you.
the disrespect.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're wrong will turn right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me.
I'm believing for great breakthrough. Hey, listen, I'm excited because next Sunday we're completing our collection of talks.
time to go. Dun,
Hey.
dun.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, it's time to go. Get up out my face. Get up out my face. We're home.